Hello people watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ninja star that you throw at a wall and then it explodes just out of 5 popsicle sticks. So first you put 2 popsicle sticks, just regular ordinary popsicle sticks, beside each other, touching just like that. And then you put another one in the middle. I just drew something there because that's where you're supposed to hold it before you throw it at a wall. Okay. Then this is the part where you were supposed to be by the edge of a table. You might have to restart if you're not by the edge of a countertop or table. I'll just restart this thing so then you know, remember, just know. You can memorize it. Okay, 2 popsicle sticks in any angle you want, as long as 2 popsicle sticks are like that. Okay, then you put another popsicle stick right there, and then move it forward, and then keep holding that part. And then you just put it like this, and then you put it over, kind of like weaving, under, over, under. And then you get another one, make sure you can do that. Okay, and then you do over, under, over. Not under, over, under. Over, under, over. Over, under. This is the hard part. Okay, here we go. That's our ninja star. And hope you enjoyed the video. Try throwing it at a wall now. Bye.